Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we'll be cooking veg enchiladas. We're gonna start by preparing enchilada sauce. For this we'll need garlic, onion, tomatoes, red chili powder, coriander powder and salt, and we're gonna blend this all. Now take the blended sauce and add vinegar and sugar into it and cook it really well. Finally, for the filling, I am going with bell pepper, paneer, some coriander and beans. Add the prepared enchilada sauce over it and give this a good mix. Now take your tortillas, add the filling, top it over with cheese, roll it out, spread the enchilada sauce and grate some more cheese over it. And bake this on 180 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes.